So hello everyone. Today we will be seeing different types of variable and we will learn the some of the rules of putting the variable names. So just click on the previous file or you can click on new file. I'll be opening my previous file which is saved as hello. So just open that. So I have opened my new file. So basically there are some rules for writing variable names in Python. What are those rules? A variable name can have a short name like X and Y, but it will be better to give that a descriptive name so that it is understood by user. Next is you can write if you want to give a variable name age equals to 15. So it will be more better for a user or a person to understand that yes, it is a variable for defining the age of some person. But if you give that as x equals to y, nobody can understand what that x denotes. So it's better to write age equals to 15. Next, variable name must start with a letter or underscore, and variable name cannot start with a number, means it must start with a letter or underscore character, and a variable name cannot start with a number. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. So we will see the examples for that also, and I have discussed this earlier also that variable names are case sensitive, means it understand that these three variables differently. If I write it like that, age equals to 16 and age equals to 17, and if I print all of them, it will show me different result also, because these are different variables for Python interpreter as it is case sensitive. So print, just to show you the same thing in a practical way, I'll be printing all of these. So print, and now if I run it by clicking F5, so it will show you the output as 15, 16, 17, means all the three will be shown to you as a output, because these three variables are differently treated in Python as it is case sensitive. And I have discussed that a variable name must start with a letter or underscore character, means I can write my name as age. I can write this in this form also. It will not show any result, as I can show you the same by running the program. Age is not defined. Okay, I have done a mistake. Yeah, because I have put the underscore after E, and here I have put it the underscore before A. So these are different variables. Now if I run, that will show you the same output as the previous one. So it can start with a letter or underscore character. Okay, if I write the same underscore here as such, and if I now print it, it will show me the same. It will show me the same result, 15, 16, 17. But now if I write it like here, if I write 1, and here also if I write 1, it will show me error like that, because we cannot start our variable name with the number. That is our second rule of variable name. And variable name can contain only numeric character, alphabetical character, and underscore. In between, if you write the same one, there will be no error. Like if I write here 1 and I run it, it will not show me any error. Enter. Okay, Since I have not updated in the print statement, it is showing me an error. So after A, if I write 1, it will not show me any error if I run the program like such.